Alam mo, Lucy, ang usapan kasi 90s team na hip-hop.
Oo nga naman, Ariel. 90s
Eh, parang kang pasa doble. Dalawang pasada ng sinulid sa Amerikana mo.
Hindi kasi, Lucy, ganito yan. Ganito na talaga ang forma ko noong 90s. Parang kala Saldi Shore.
Ganun ba?
Oh.
Okay.
Teka, nandito na po sa aking mga kamay ang mga resulta. Wag na natin silang pasalitiin. Baka sino pang patayin nila.
Okay.
Sino kaya ang magiging unang monthly finalist for the championship night of Season 2? Ariel and Maverick, excited na ba kayong malaman?
Very much excited.
Sino yung wild guess
naman.
nyo?
Ayoko mag-wild guess. Pero siguro paubayan na lang natin talaga yan sa studio audience tsaka sa mga judges natin.
Yes.
Okay?
So, siguro umpisa na natin, di ba?
Yes?
Okay.
Nakabahan na yung mga... Hi, guys.
But before
Are you okay?
that, we have to say that you are all already winners and that you were really an excellent
Ayan.
batch.
Magaling po silang lahat, mga kaibigan. Let's all give them a big round of applause.
At least pare, binigyan sila ni Lucy ng pampalubag loob, ha?
Yan pampalubag loob. Totoo talaga.
Magaling po silang lahat. Magaling po sila. So, unahin na natin si Wowie and Donna. Ang comment ng judges sa sayaw ninyo ay siksik daw ang choreography ninyo and both of you are very strong dancers.
We have added the scores of your two dances. However, I'm sorry to say, Wowie and Donna, that was your last dance. Thank you very much for being part of the show. Please take your last bow.
Thank you very much, Wowie and Donna. Let's all give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Talagang magaling po sila.
Talagang ganyan, brother. Kahit medyo masakit sa loob mo, chika-chika, di ba? Pero so now, dalawang pares na lang. Mystica and Miguel at William and
Genevieve.
Genevieve.
Malabo na kasi mata
Hindi, yung sulat eh.
Naka-shades ka kasi.
Pang-grade. Kaya pala parang madilim. Okay. Okay, Mystica and Miguel, sabi ng judges, kayo daw ay punong-puno ng emosyon, talagang hugot sa dibdib ang inyong rumba.
At kayo naman, William and Genevieve, ang comment ng judges ay magaling ang connection ninyo. Nag-evolve talaga si William at kita na nag-i-enjoy daw kayong dalawa pag nagda-dance kayo.
Sino sa two pairs na ito ang karapat-dapat na maging unang monthly finalist for Season 2? Si Mystica at si Miguel ba? Or si William and Genevieve?
Hey,
Ako, sino kaya?
kinakabahan na ako.
The results are final. Mystica and Miguel. I'm sorry to say, your last dance is not tonight, which means you are the first monthly finalist for
Congratulations! Mystica and Miguel,
Maraming salamat kina William and
our first
Genevieve.
monthly finalist.
Shall we dance? Matinding laban talaga ang pinakita tonight. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Palakpakan natin sila.
Naku, umiiyak si Mystica, ha? Punong-puno
Mystica
ng
naiyak
emosyon.
na.
Yes, pero William and Genevieve talagang they gave their best.
Okay,
Congratulations din sa kanila.
Pero di ba, Mav, hindi pa tapos yung laban.
Yes, pero siyempre hindi pa po tapos ang laban. Now is the perfect time for viewers to voice out their opinion. You will be the judge this time to help us determine kung sino ang dapat bumalik as the wild card couple in the championship night. Kung agree kayo na tama lang na ma-eliminate na sina Wowie, all you have to do is text in SWD space agree space Wowie and send to 6834 SMART and 2219 for Globe and Sun. Now, kung disagree naman po kayo at sa tingin ninyo ay dapat hindi ma-eliminate sina Wowie, then ipaglaban ninyo sila and text in SWD space disagree space Wowie and send to 6834 SMART and 2219 for Globe and Sun.
Para teka, medyo sumabog na yung makeup sa mata. Well, ngayon naman kung agree kayo na tama lang na ma-eliminate sina William, all you have to do is text SWD space agree space William and send to 6834 SMART and 2219 for Globe and Sun.
Pero kung disagree naman po kayo at sa tingin niyo ay hindi dapat ma-eliminate sina William, then ipaglaban ninyo sila and text in space Text in SWD space disagree space William and send to 6834 SMART and 2219 for Globe and Sun.
Well, alam mo, ganito yan, kung hindi naman kayo magkasundo-sundo, magsuntukan na lang kayo
Mismo.
o kaya mag-wrestling match, ha?
O kaya naman, bato-bato pick na lang, di ba? Daan na lang natin sa pick.
Okay, tumigil na kayong dalawa. Again, congratulations
Yes!
to Mystica and Miguel. How do you feel about winning tonight?
I wanted to collapse.
Talaga?
Miguel will catch you for sure. How are you guys going to prepare for the championship night?
It's gonna be the start lang. It was like we will do our very best talaga for the final.
I'm not gonna stop now.
Hindi ka talaga magsa-stop, Mystica.
Talagang tears of joy po nakikita namin kay Mystica.
Pero brother, patawas mo yan. Alam mo naman na sinasaniban yan pag sumasayaw.
Yes.
Ha?
We can't wait to see you guys again on the dance floor.
So mga brothers and sisters, nakita niyo ba yung nakita ko? Ha?
Yes, I did. Kaya naman, mas mukhang talagang mapapadalas tayo dito sa pagbisita sa Shall We Dance. Pero sobra kami talaga nag-enjoy dito, Lucy. Ha?
Nag-enjoy din kami.
Very
It was
much.
fun having you guys.
Kasama ka,
Thank you.
napakaganda at napakaputi na Miss Lucy Torres Gomez.
Okay,
diba?
naniniwala na ako. It's my pleasure, Ariel and Mary. Thank you sa inyo and thank you also to our judges.
Yes, thank you, judges.
Judges, please join us on stage. Thank you, Raul Ramirez, for my outfit, Christian M. for my makeup. This has been Lucy Torres Gomez.
And syempre, wag niyo pong kalimutan, Totoo TV every Monday nights, 11 p.m. dito po sa ABC5. And wala yan sa lolo ko, 8:30 Thursday night. And syempre, this has been your co-host for Shall We Dance. I'm Maverick. Oh, wait.
Of course, this is Ariel with a capital A.
Good night.
Good night, everybody. Sayawan na. Judges, please dance.
Come on, DJ, drop it!
The floor is yours.